Alright, today we're going to draw a nice bunny and it's going to be a very wonderful drawing. First, we're going to draw the head like this. So it's like very, not so deep for the beginning, but we're just drawing the outlines and this is going to be a very good drawing. Okay, alright, so outline you can see here, and the outline is going to be at the bottom. Okay, all right, just draw some outlines like this. Okay, and in this point we're going to draw a hand like this. Another hand is going to be here, like he's holding something, especially its favorite item, the carrot. You can see a carrot here, holding the carrot. All right, and the leaves of the carrot like this. Awesome. Here we're just dividing the whole part into half. Okay, putting the eye here. Another eye is going to be like this here. So after outline you can have the whole scenery. Okay. And the nose, then a straight line you can see coming up to the down, and here it's smiling. Okay, two bigger teeth in the front, two eyebrow, and the bigger ears. Awesome. Some parts of the drawing is going to be colorful, so left ear is straight and right ear is going to be little bit bending towards front. Okay, and the details is going to be nicely visible when we just complete the whole drawing and putting all the colors. Then it's going to be looking very nice. Awesome. And also this part, it's like coming up here, and the legs, little legs will be visible at the bottom like this. Okay, so now I'm going to put the color, but let's see. Before that, just make the color bold because the outline is complete. Now it has a little hairy figure, so all the parts is looks like the zigzag form. So the drawing is not going to be straight lines like this, but it's little bit in a zigzag shape. Okay, so the whole face and the mouth is going to be nicely visible like this. Awesome. Now holding hands like this. Now we're using eraser to wipe out the unwanted lines. Okay, this is the left hand, and the body, it's again going to be the furry and the zigzag texture. Awesome. And I'm going to connect this partially curved line to the other points on this side, and you can see the legs here. Okay, another leg is going to be here. Awesome. Few furry texture you can see in its belly. And the carrot which is holding, she is holding. Okay, all right, and the leaves. So I'm going to put the two leaves here for better outlook. The carrot has some textures here you can see. Okay, and I'm going to draw the ears right now. Another one in the middle, and the ear on the right side is going to be like this. Okay, let's connect. All right, for the face we already drawn it previously, so I'm just putting it highlighted. Okay, and the eyes are going to be like this. So two eyes. All right, we're going to put the black color for the eyes here, so which is the darkest of all. I'm using the 6B pencil. Okay, and the eye I'm going to draw on this side. It's the left eye. Okay, so when we do the details we just try to peel up some solid parts and make it as solid as possible. All right, so that part is done. Now the carrot part, it's going to be the orange, so let's put the orange here, putting the darker shades in the middle and lighter shades, darker shades to the edge. All right, put some shades to the edge. Okay, and drawing the leaves here. You can see the leaves here. All right, for these two parts we are going to put the pink color as it's available right now, looking very nice. Also this one. Oh, one more detail is left here, like the face. So the mouth you can see, right? So mouth looks like this. Awesome. Okay, and as it's standing on the ground, so we are going to put the colors on the ground by using the crayons. So let's put the crayon and put it on the ground. The other parts of the body remain white, but if you like you can put a little bit of white color like this in some portions. Okay, just to make it little bit wonderful. Awesome. So this is the drawing. I hope you like it. Please subscribe the channel and put the bell icon on for the updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a good day.